The crypto markets have indeed been in dire straits in the last few weeks. And these corrections that we're seeing can present big dollar cost averaging opportunities in the crypto markets. Do want to talk about why it's important to be greedy when others are indeed fearful. And this is what those big tyrants and big billionaires out there do to capitalize and make those big life-changing gains and create generational wealth. So we've seen correction in the market. The market is indeed in a state of fear. And to be fair, the correction that we've seen so far is nothing of what we've seen, in like 2017, 2021. The corrections that we used to see were 30 to 40%. And this time around, we're only looking at a 20 to 30% correction. And at the moment, it's really not been that much sort of damage overall. I think it's good to see, the week looking nice and green again. But overall, we are still in a red month. Ladies and gents, if you're new to the channel, please do subscribe. We're looking at 5 cryptos in this video that I am keen to buy more of during this little crypto crash or crypto dip or whatever you want to call it. If you're new here, please, again, like I say, subscribe, like, comment. Now let's talk about coin number 1, Ondo. Ondo is for sure one that is interesting me at the moment, getting tons of trade volume, market accessibility, Coinbase, not yet Binance. But looking at Ondo, the chart here on the year, very resilient. Even after its correction from highs of $1.44, it's still trading higher than what it was back in sort of March and April and even mid-May. So it's definitely a resilient coin with a lot of value. Ondo, you're probably wondering what it is. Ondo token holders are entrusted with shaping the future of Ondo DAO so that it continues to pursue its mission to democratize access to institutional grade finance. So just overall looking at it, it moves into the real world asset sort of category. Ondo Finance, for example, to move $95 million to BlackRock's tokenized fund for instant settlements for its T-bill token. The allocation marks the first example of a crypto protocol leveraging BlackRock's tokenized fund for its own offering. So yeah, really an interesting one. You can also see that Ondo brings treasury-backed stablecoin to Apto's lending protocol. Thala will integrate USDY as a collateral asset. Leading real-world asset protocol, Ondo Finance is partnering with Aptos Foundation, the organization which stewards the eponymous blockchain with a market capitalization of $3.3 billion. So Ondo's certainly bringing big things into the crypto space. And seeing it with a price tag right now of $1, it's up 5x on the year, which is absolutely massive. But with a market cap of 1.4 billion, it's still a rank 58 coin, which does give it a lot of space and upside potential for the future. Looking at the market capital, it's looking very solid, very tight with the price, which means, we're not seeing a large emission of the tokens. We've got 1.3 billion circulating coins with a 10 billion maximum supply over there. So yeah, 1.4 billion on the market capitalization, ladies and gents, pretty good stuff. So yeah, coin number 1 will be Ondo. Coin number 2 is going to be Stacks. If you're familiar with Bitcoin layer 2, then Stacks is going to be one that you do know about indeed. So what is it, you might be wondering? Stacks is a Bitcoin layer for smart contracts. It enables a contract and decentralized applications to use Bitcoin as an asset and settle transactions on the Bitcoin blockchain. The Stacks layer unlocks $500 billion in Bitcoin capital using the Bitcoin layer 1 as settlement for decentralized applications, also known as dApps. So Stacks, yeah, $2.5 billion market capital, 81.09% of the overall total supply is circulating at the moment, as we can see. But yeah, big correction, as you can see overall in the year. In March, it was at $3.65. So it has gone from $5 billion down to a $2 billion mark, which is like a 60 to 70% correction. Doesn't entirely mean it's going to keep on going down. It did actually bottom out around 2 billion, which is where it was started off trading in, January at the beginning of this year. So Stacks certainly does excite me for the future. Markets-wise, accessibility on Binance and Coinbase. You can also buy it with the exchanges I've got linked down below, MEXC and KSEX. If you want to use my links, you're going to get a trading sign-up bonus where, basically you can also grab some of these juicy looking tokens. But here is Stacks. It says activate the Bitcoin economy with the leading Bitcoin layer 2. Use and build apps that leverage Bitcoin as a secure base layer. So it is indeed a very interesting one with a lot of potential for the future. You can see here as well, look, Stacks Bitcoin, all roads lead back to Bitcoin. Stacks Streets, a gamified experience of 10,000 Stacks prize pool to introduce more people to a flourishing app ecosystem built on the leading Bitcoin layer 2. So there's a lot going on with this one here. So far, yeah, Ondo, Stacks, I'm bullish on these, and you've got a very nice sort of dollar cost average entry in my opinion here. Not financial advice, but you're down 60%. So people are bullish and, you know, greeding into this thing, FOMOing into this thing when it was sitting over $3 and now it's at $1.70. What is your excuse to not be bullish? Next one is going to be, me actually. It's going to be me talking about me very quickly. If you are looking for trading signals out there in the crypto markets, we still have some crypto legend spaces available, ladies and gents. So what am I talking about here? I'm talking about unlocking VIP access to my Discord channel, where you are going to get a bunch of beautiful trading signals. If you do want to enhance your crypto portfolio, jump right into getting over 100, not even 100, 2, 3, 4, 500 trading signals per month delivered to your Discord, then please do sign up down below. You're also going to get way more stuff as well. Access to stealth launches, straight to DEX, meme gems, early info on whitelistings, pre-sale. You're going to get early alpha Discord channel access for big buy signals as well. So the Patreon is down below, ladies and gents. Please do check it out before the space runs out. Coin number 3 will be Wiener AI, part dog, part sausage, part AI trading bot. This is a meme coin in an ICO stage, in-coin offering. Effectively, this is in a pre-sale stage, and we can see one Wiener AI token is $0.00073, 16 days, 10 hours until the price goes up. Well, actually, this is when the pre-sale ends completely. So they raised $7.4 million over here. It's a low market cap gem in the crypto space. The ecosystem is quite exciting. You can see got 152% per annum staking rewards, with 64% of the overall supply being staked. And you know what I really like about this one as well is the ecosystem utility, AI enhanced trading. So there's an AI interface that's instant, predictive, and noob friendly. Also seamless sausage swaps, which hints at a decentralized exchange. You can also see 0 fees. Wiener AI does not charge any fees. Good little doggy. And MEV protection, which is effectively protecting you against bots. Tokenomically, you're looking at 69 billion tokens that can ever exist. 30% are allocated to the overall pre-sale. So time is running out. If you want to buy this one, you can connect your MetaMask wallet or your DeFi wallet, convert either Ethereum or Tether into your Wiener AI coins, and effectively wait 16 days. Once that happens, you will then see a claim button on this website here where you can claim your tokens, and then you can choose to sell them on the decentralized exchange or even the centralized exchanges if it goes live on any of those. So yeah, pretty good Twitter following, 15k followers, pretty cool. It's more than just a bot. You've got Wiener AI chatbot, but you've also got the trading analysis and all that juicy stuff as well. So check that out down below. Guys, I think it could be an exciting one. Coin number 4 will be Aave. Aave has had a very striking month from lows of $75 up to $105. Personally, I still think zooming out, Aave or Aave is still in a good place. And last bull market in 2021, it was sitting over almost $7 billion in terms of its market capitalization. So it actually hit 7.3 billion at an all-time high. Literally for 2 years straight, it has been just consolidating. We're not seeing much accumulation, but it is just waiting to potentially explode and retest those previous all-time highs. This is a coin, you know, Aave liquidity protocol, earn interest, borrow assets, and build applications. So there's some massive utility here. You can see $20.8 billion worth of liquidity is locked in Aave across 8 networks over 15 markets. And also Mark Cuban, well, he actually doubled down on his Aave holdings in 2021. Mark Cuban himself is very bullish on Aave, and I also think it's a coin that's a lot of potential. It's on Binance, it's also on Coinbase, it's on a lot of those big tier 1 exchanges, but I think we just need to see the tip of a bull run in order to really see Aave do its thing. So this will lead us to coin number 5 in this video, which is Optimism OP, the super chain. And to be fair, it's crazy to see on the year that Optimism is back down to the prices we saw in January. and also of 2023. So to see optimism actually go up to $4.50 and back down to $1.80, correcting like 75%, does indeed make me feel quite bullish. You can see how it is literally back down to those kind of undervaluation phases. Looking at the supply, we've got 26% of OP coins in circulation. That's 1.1 billion. The total supply is 4.3 billion coins. So yeah, $2 billion market cap over here, guys. Is another low market cap gem. We can see the MC of OP did hit 4.6 something billion. But yeah, really wondering why we're seeing a massive drop in price. I think it's just overall correction with the market that has unfortunately happened. So yeah, you can also see here, hot off the press, your home for everything on chain. There's a Coinbase wallet as well. But overall, optimism. It says build a world that benefits all, owned by none. This is a super chain. The ecosystem continues to grow more and more. So there's 5 picks that very much interest me in the crypto space right now. So yeah, the links are all down below should you wish to research those. Do your own due diligence. Do remember this isn't financial advice. If you're new here, subscribe to the channel if you want to hit your crypto dreams. See you soon. Peace.